Hi, welcome to Rajal 9. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Health Cloud. As you all know, Salesforce is a kind of CRM application which is used extensively for CRM related activities, irrespective of the domain it belongs to. So Salesforce can be used even for sales related stuff, even for customer marketing, analytics, retailing, all that. In addition to that, today we are going to discuss about the importance of Health Cloud and what are all the modules which are available in Health Cloud. Because Health Cloud is a kind of application in reference to the connect to the Salesforce, which is majorly used to manage the patient's data and everything, all that stuff. In context to that, the first module, what is that will be there in Health Cloud is to have a knowledge over understanding about the complete view of the patients, wherein this is the one which majorly used in Salesforce Health Cloud, which majorly provides these benefits and all. The first thing is that we can create rich and as well as contextual patient profiles. All these can be done here. This is point number one. At the same time, we have a possibility to access and collaborate care networks and health timelines and everything in connect to the hospitals, all that. Followed by this, we can integrate the patient data from the electronic health records, because EHR records are essentially important, which is called, we call it as EHR, all that. So EHR stands for electronic health records, where we have to integrate the patient data and all that. At the same time, we can also incorporate third-party data from different medical devices and as well as wearables, all that stuff. So this is what generally the first module in reference to the Health Cloud, which normally there in Salesforce. Whereas in the second one, which is called Smarter Patient Management, where this will provide to healthcare organizations to prioritize the task across all the patient needs, whatever is required. At the same time, we can also segment and manage the patient population, irrespective of the kind of number it could be. At the same time, it is also being used to map personal and as well as professional caregiver networks, which is something relating to the Salesforce Health Cloud, all that. Whereas in the third one, which is called Connecting Patient Engagement, where how are we engaging patients is essentially important in reference to the Salesforce Health Cloud, which makes healthcare information more accessible to the people, wherein to understanding and as well as improving the workflows and care outcomes, all that. So for that, collaborating with care teams and patients is essentially required, so that patient will give teams will give more things to the patient and all that. This is one thing. At the same time, assigning tasks and everything to the caregiver networks, wherein which is essentially required. Followed by this, we can share secure messaging to any of the devices when and wherever it is needed, so that patients can go through these messages and all, but make sure there must be a secure kind of stuff. So these are the three major elements which normally we see in reference to the Health Cloud itself is concerned in reference to the Salesforce. So if you have any queries in regard to that, if you have any questions in connect to the Health Cloud, all that stuff, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.